My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
So, ispirihan natin ng ganito kabayan para makita natin yung kanto, kung parehas pa yung kanto, tuwid pa. Kasi ito yung problema eh, katulad nyo. Pakita mo yung kanto na ginawa mo kung tuwid pa. Katulad nyo, kabayan. So, okay lang yan siyang kanto. So, yung kanto na yan kabayan, katulad nyo, yung kanto, may kanto yung kabayan eh. Yan, medyo okay na yan. Yung tingnan natin kasi. Yung kanto kasi kabayan, ito kanto yan. Tapos mayroon ito, palubog ko siya dito banda. So hindi mo pwedeng hindi palubog yun yan. Kasi kung mapinturahan na yung kabayan, kung mapinturahan na yung kabayan, nakita yan eh. Lalo na ngayon ito maitim to eh. Kailangan okay kabayan. Ini kabayan, bali bumper na lang yung gawin ko. So ayan, tapos na yan, primer na siya. So ito rin, primer na rin daw siya. Ayan. So kabayan, lalagyan na ng primer yan kabayan. So pintura na lang. So ito yan. Pintura na lang yan siya. Unita!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through.
So tapos na yung bumper kabayan. So yung pintuan na lang, bali tinapos ko pa yung simple ng pintuan niya. Bali tinanggal ko yung glass, tanggalin ko pa yung glass. Pero yung seating natin kabayan, yung okay na. Di ba nagpalit tayo ng bago nito, bago to eh. Kasi dahil sa side mirror, pasok yung sa side yan. So, pero yung alignment okay na. Kasi mahirap kasi ito i-align sa kabayan. Yung linya kasi dito. Yung linya, yan ang napakahirap. Maghihirapan kang mag-adjust dito. Yung dito yung problema niya kabayan. Yung bracket niya dito, mahirapan kang mag-adjust dyan. Pero makuha mo rin katagalan. Minsan isang tirahan lang okay na. Yan, kasi yung linya kasi dito, yan, yung linya kailangan palinya yan. Pag hindi mo patuloy yan, wala mo linyari. So okay na kabayan, yung naikabit ko na lahat. Yung ito kumpleto na. Yan. So pag may tanong kayo kabayan, pag mag-assemble kayo ng ganito tapos mahirapan kayo, magtanong lang kayo. Kasi yung glass kasi okay lang naman yung glass, basta yung pagtanggal nyo, yung una yung tinanggal, yun ang huli yung ikabit. Basta yun na yun. Okay. So okay na lahat. So na-check ko na lahat, yung side mirror okay, itong glass okay. So yung lock okay. So,